Hey guys, Saka from SAKITECH, and in today's video we've got some really exciting news. We have a first hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Now this flip phone is going to be announced on February 11th alongside the Samsung Galaxy S20, and now we have a first look thanks to Ben Geskin from Twitter, who was able to leak this product for us. Now let's take a look at the video and try to see what's happening over here. So as you can see, the person is holding the phone with one hand and he's able to open it up and then close it with just one hand. And you can see a punch hole cut out in the middle. There's a little screen on the front side. And of course, there's nothing on the back of this device. So it does look absolutely fantastic, in my opinion, for a phone, for a flip phone, for something new, something fresh that's coming to the market and giving us a little bit more options beyond the phones that we've been using for the last, decade. This is a brand new form factor, and I'm assuming it's going to get more and more popular and more developed, and even might take the place of the current phones. But it's just amazing to see a hands-on video of an unreleased product, which just a couple years ago seemed impossible. So we do have the a Samsung flip phone. Of course, it's not the first flip phone on the market. We do have the Motorola Razr, but this phone does have better specs overall. So let me just give you a quick summary of the specs, and let me just talk about the price really quick regarding this product. So we do have a Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU. We have 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage space with no microSD expansion and no headphone jack. That screen is 6.7 inches. It's an OLED display, and it's going to be 1080p resolution. So it's not going to be Quad HD plus, but it's going to be full high definition plus. Now on the other end of the smartphone, when you close the phone, you do have a small screen. That's a 1-inch screen, and as you can see, it does show the time, the date, and the battery percentage. And from what we know from other leaks, it might even show you the notifications you get. Maybe a symbol that you missed a call or a symbol that you missed a text message right on that little screen. And of course, it does have that satisfying sound when you flip it shut. Now let's talk about the price really quick, where I do have a slight problem. Now a while ago, when we were having the first leaks on this product, when we did not know much about it, they were saying that this was going to be around $800, $850, which actually made me very happy because that's an affordable price for a new form factor coming into the market. But now we have learned that this thing is going to be approximately, at least according to leaks, it's going to be approximately $1,400, which is a lot of money. And here's my problem with that, and you guys can drop a comment down below to let me know if you agree or not. This is a first generation product, and it does come with unseen compromises, okay? These compromises get polished in later releases as the price goes down. So not only is a first generation product, which comes with its unseen problems, the price is high, and later in a couple years, the price will go down as the product gets better, which is kind of ridiculous. But that's what we know so far. This thing is going to be $1,400, which is not cheap, okay? That's a lot of money. With that kind of money, you can buy a MacBook, you can buy a high-end laptop, a Windows laptop, you can buy several used phones with it that are from last year. But I mean, as a tech reviewer, I'm going to have to get it and take a look at it. But you guys can let me know down below what you would do. Do you think the price is high or is justified? And of course, I'm pretty sure most people are going to end up getting the Samsung Galaxy S20 or the S20 Plus. All right. Anyway, that's what I want to talk about in this video real quick. We have that amazing hands-on video giving us a full look at the actual phone. And of course, I want to talk about that pricing. So drop your comments down below. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day. All right. All right. So if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.